Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about creating an Edpuzzle. So what is an Edpuzzle? Edpuzzle is an interactive website that allows you to use pre-made YouTube videos to create interactive lessons for your children or students. This can be used at any grade level and for any demographic or ability of children. So first you're going to go to edpuzzle.com, type it right into your browser, and click return or enter. Next, you're going to go to Sign Up. It'll take you to create your account. You can sign up as a teacher or as a student. Today we're going to sign up as a teacher. Next, you can either sign in with Google or the old-fashioned name with your first and last name and other emails you may use. It takes me right to my Gmail account, which I'm already logged into. Wait for it to load, and then you have the home page. Now, when you're first signing up, it'll ask you what school you're affiliated with. And so when you click that, it'll have a link to your school of choice. Next, to create a video, you're going to go to search content and type in what you would like to do, or research. And I'm going to use Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes, because who doesn't love Pete the Cat and his white shoes? Then you click search. And then it gives you an array of videos that are on YouTube. I had already researched what video I would like to do, so I did that by watching it. So now that I've watched it, I want to edit it. And it'll ask you if you want to crop your video. Now I know, because I've already watched this video, that there are some things that I can crop. I don't want my video to be over 5 minutes long. I wanted it to be quick and easy for my students. So I may crop it right till about where he starts to talk about the title and the author. Of course, always click out of ads. I cropped my video, and now I can go to a voiceover, audio notes, or quizzes. Today I'm going to go with quizzes. Now there's this little question mark here. We're going to click play. You move this. Oops. That's not exactly where we want a question. So we're going to move it over. So Pete the Cat, he was walking down the street. He loved his white shoes, but oh no! He stepped in a large pile of strawberries. So this is where I want to start my first question. I click on the question mark. And you can type in an open-ended question, or you can do question and answers. We're going to ask our students today, what color did the strawberries turn Pete's white shoes? And then you put in the types of choices. So I'm going to type in red is the correct answer and blue is the not correct answer. Of course, you can add more answers, but we're going to keep it simple. Click Save. Click Continue again, and then the video continues to play. So now we want to move it to our next question. Okay, so he's walking along and he steps in a pile of blueberries. So we want to ask our students, what color did the blueberries turn Pete's shoes? And let's leave it as an open-ended question. And that way, they'll be able to answer it themselves without any options. Click Continue, and then you continue to do that for any other questions you would like. Next, you go to Save, because you always want to save everything, and you go to Finish. This will allow you to assign it to a class. You could have it connected to your Google Classroom, or you can add a new class. I'm going to name my new class Miss Charlotte's class. Keep it simple. Anything you like, though. Okay. So now I'm going to click on my class and click Assign. So now it says due dates. You could set a due date. It says today's date. And you can go to your gradebook. This class doesn't have any students assigned to it, but it will, and there will be rows of the correct answers and who took the test. You go to your classes, and it'll list your classes on the side. You can import from Google Classroom. This is my Google Classroom, and these are assignments I have already posted. And when I click on this link, it'll take me right to the place I want to go. Now, this is a great tool for parents to use as well, especially students with all abilities, especially students receiving special education supports. Edpuzzle is a really fun, interactive website to use. Thank you, everyone. I hope you found this helpful.